Looking for a dependable power cord that fits your TV, monitor, or gaming setup without hassle? The PWR Plus 6-foot AC power cord offers a high-quality, extra-long solution designed to keep your devices powered safely and reliably. Whether you're upgrading your home theater or replacing a worn-out cable, this cord promises the durability and compatibility you need. What sets this power cord apart? It's UL RoHS certified, made with premium SVT3, C13 Aruban fluorines wire rated for 90 degrees Celsius and 300 volts, ensuring safe and efficient power delivery. The IEC-60320 C13 connector pairs with a standard NEMA 5 to 15P plug, fitting a wide range of devices. From Samsung and LG TVs to gaming consoles like PS3 and Xbox 360, plus printers, projectors, and portable speaker systems, this cord covers it all. The 6-foot length gives you the flexibility to position your gear without being tethered too close to the outlet. I've relied on this cord myself when setting up multiple devices around the house. Its sturdy construction means no frayed wires or sudden power drops, and the extra length makes rearranging equipment a breeze. Plus, PWR Plus is a Washington-based company known for responsive customer support, so you're never left in the dark if issues arise. Safety is a priority here. The cable is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, confirming it meets rigorous standards for electrical safety and environmental compliance. That means peace of mind every time you plug in. The 30-day refund and 24-month exchange warranty further underscore the brand's confidence in their product's quality. If you often move your electronics or just want a reliable replacement power cord, this one is worth a look. It's compatible with an extensive list of brands including Bose, Epson, Canon, Dell, and many more, making it a versatile choice for homes and offices alike. The durable materials and trusted certifications mean you get a cord that lasts, not just a quick fix. Ready to upgrade your power connection? The PWR Plus 6-foot AC power cord offers what you get: a safer, longer-lasting, and widely compatible solution that keeps your devices running smoothly. Try it when you're ready and experience the difference a quality power cord makes.